Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to start simple past tense. As we have already done present tense and present continuous tense, today we will learn about past tense. Already we have learned that present tense is used to express the events which are happening in present time, right? In past tense we will learn how to express the events, explain the actions which happened in past time. So let us start. Before we start learning the rules of simple past tense, let us read these sentences to understand how to express past events. First sentence is, last night I played my guitar loudly and the neighbors complained. Second, it rained yesterday. Third, Angela watched TV all night. Fourth, John wanted to go to the museum. Now here you can see that played, second form, complained, second form, rained, second form, watched, second form, wanted, second form. It means these are sentences in simple past tense. It means in simple past tense we use the second form. Second form is used to express the past events and actions happened in past. Also here we can notice that last night, it means we are talking about past, yesterday. It means we are talking about past. So this way we express the past events. Now let us do it in detail. So now we will learn how to make positive, negative and interrogative sentences in simple past tense. So in positive simple past tense, the sentence structure is subject, second form and object, right? So let us see some examples. I played football yesterday. I played football yesterday. You studied English grammar. You studied English grammar. He sang a song in the party. She made coffee. It rained in last week. We spoke English. They helped poor. John went to market. Birds flew in the sky. Now, in all these sentences, we can notice that we have used second forms played, studied, sang, made, rained, spoke, helped, went, flew. Right? Now, let us change all these sentences into negative. In negative simple past tense, we use the sentence structure subject plus did not. In present tense, we used do not and does not. But here in the past, negative simple past tense, we will use second form of do. Second form of do is did. So here we will use did not. And when we will use did not, we will use first form of the verb. The second form of the verb will change into first form of the verb plus object. Subject plus did not, first form of the verb and object. This is the structure of negative simple past tense. Now see the examples. I did not play football yesterday. Now here we have used did not and first form of the verb. You did not study English grammar. He did not sing a song in the party. She did not make coffee. It did not rain in last week. We did not speak English. They did not help poor. John did not go to market. Birds did not fly in the sky. Right? So next is interrogative sentence. The sentence structure in interrogative tense is did, subject, first form of the verb, object, and ends the sentence with question mark. Now let us see examples. Did I play football yesterday? Did you study English grammar? When we ask the questions, did he sing a song in the party? Did she make coffee? Did it rain in last week? Did we speak English? Did they help poor? Did John go to market? Did bird fly in the sky? So this way we make the sentences in simple past tense, positive, negative and interrogative. So this is all about simple past tense. I hope you all have understood well how to make simple past tense positive, negative and interrogative. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.